Are you the one who wants to draw the legendary yellow flash, Minato Namikaze, with acrylic colors? So my friend, you have came to the right video. In this video, I am going to show you how to draw Minato Namikaze very easily with acrylic colors, and I will also tell you which color to mix to create all the necessary colors for the drawing. To draw Minato Namikaze, you will need water, palette, paintbrush, and I'll recommend you to use watercolor paper instead of normal 200 or 300 GSM paper, because normal paper cannot absorb water, but watercolor paper can do it really well. So you should use watercolor paper. So now let's jump into the tutorial. As always, I am starting with the sketching, so you should observe the sketching. But if you only want to see the coloring part, then you can skip the sketching and jump to the coloring.
Don't know if I can find my way out. In this tiny and everything is growing up tight. There's no fall into the ocean. Reaching out, I'm reaching out. The water is rising over me. The water is rising. It's coming. I'm reaching out, I'm reaching out. The water is rising over me. The water is rising. I'm reaching. It's coming. I'm reaching. I don't know if I can find my way out. I'm stuck in a prison of doubt. In this tiny ocean. don't know if I can find my way out. In this tiny and everything is growing up tight. There's no fall into the ocean.
It's now time for the coloring. For coloring Minato's hair, I am using yellow color with a little water.
I'm reaching out, I'm reaching out.
And for the shadow parts, I am mixing a little bit of brown with the yellow color.
Rising, it's coming. I'm reaching out, I'm reaching out. The water is rising over me. The water is rising. I'm reaching, it's coming. I'm reaching.
For the hand and the face, I am using skin tone. To make a skin tone, I used white, yellow and red color. We have to use more white and a little red and a little yellow. And again, to add the shadows, I am mixing a little bit of brown with my skin tone. And now I am using green color for its inner coat, or you can say the inner dress. For the lighter part of the dress, I am using pure green. And to add the shadows, I will mix a bit black with the green to create a darker green tone. For the blue parts of the dress, I am using these three blue colors.
I don't know if I can find my way out. I'm stuck in a prison of doubt. In this time.
And now to add shadows in the Hokage cloak, I am using grey color. To create grey color, I mixed black and white. In this mixture, I used more white and a little black to create light grey color. If we used more black color, then it would be a dark grey.
And nobody is watching at night. The water rising.
And for the inner cloak, I am just using red color.
Need a friend to shake me out again.
And the coloring process is complete. So now it's time for the line art, or to be precise, the outlining. In watercolor or acrylic color drawing, we have to do the line art after the coloring.
I don't know if I can find my way out.
I hope this video helped you. If you want to see more exclusive content like this, like Minato, Madara, Jiraiya, subscribe the channel and leave a comment which anime character should I draw next. I'll definitely draw your recommended character.